have a huge week of earnings as we get ready to look at how our favorite companies are going to report, and hopefully we'll get more companies that'll give us guidance in 2021. With today's trading swings, the question for 2021 is what's hot and what's not. GameStop is putting that to the test, which left commentators today with their jaws on the floor, trading from $70 all the way up to $150 in just one day. It boils down to the increased trading activity on the retail side, including what some are calling the big short. That left traders super dizzy. Old Wall Street is saying that they must have regulators step in because it's going to be a really bad look. And a lot of volatility just leaves consumer confidence as well as investor confidence just kind of down. All right, here we go for the week. Number one, all week we have earnings with the top companies. Microsoft on Tuesday, Facebook and Apple on Wednesday. Tesla will release its first earnings report since joining the S&P 500 club. You can bet analysts will be asking about the demand and manufacturing timeline since the construction is underway on the new gigafactories in Berlin and Texas. Then we have on Thursday and Friday, Samsung and LG will report their Q4 earnings. So it's going to be a busy week to watch, again, your favorite companies and how they do. And number two this week, the private sector is stepping up. Walmart plans to offer the vaccine to 5K U.S. locations, starting in 7 states this week. It hopes to deliver over 10 million to 13 million doses a month. And then we have Amazon following. They wrote a letter to Biden asking them if they can help out with some of the logistics, as Starbucks, Costco, and Microsoft are all on the train to help deploy the vaccine quicker to everyone, so we can have the grand reopening. And then number 3, Clubhouse, a San Francisco-based audio social network, raised over $100 million, led by Andreessen Horowitz at a $1 billion money valuation, post-money valuation. Axios has learned the audio boom is being artificially inflated by some stay-at-home pandemic listeners, but Andreessen Horowitz is confident and its biggest advocate for Clubhouse. So maybe we'll take a break from the other social media platforms that are being scrutinized and everybody come over to Clubhouse. I'm on it. All right, the market closed mixed today, but the NASDAQ hit another record high. The Dow was at 30,960, S&P 500 3,855, and NASDAQ 13,635. On the IPO side, we have 8 companies going public this week, and that includes Ortho Clinical Diagnostic, Qualtrics. There's a big story behind that. They were going to go public on NASDAQ while I was working with NASDAQ, and then they decided not to go public on NASDAQ because they got bought by SAP, then went and had a ceremony at the New York Stock Exchange, and now they were sold off by SAP and now are going public on NASDAQ. I swear it's endless drama there, but anyways, we wish them luck on their IPO. All right, have a great week, and I will see you on Friday. Cheers.